Robotics and automation. Robot specifications. Work envelope. It is work envelope or work volume of manipulator is defined as the envelope or space within which the robot can manipulate the end of the wrist. It depends on the number of types of joints, physical size of the joints and links, and the ranges of various joints. The arm movement in different robot configurations are different. The work envelopes of different coordinate system are also different. Next specification is load carrying capacity. It depends upon physical size and construction. Its capability to transmit force and torque to the end effector. The capacity for every height models can be as low as 1.5 kg, for heavier classes 1000 kg. Another specification is speed of movement. It is the speed at which robot is capable of manipulating its end effector. It depends on the distance to be moved, the weight of the part to be moved, the accuracy required in placement of path in position. Speed varies from one point to another point. Another specification is repeatability. It is a measure of robot ability to position an object at a previously placed or taught point in the work envelope. How the robot repeatedly position the object in a target place, that is repeatability of robot. The errors may come due to mechanical sources after robot will not be able to return to exact point. Another specification is control resolution. It is a system capability, both the controller and positioning device, to provide or to divide the range of total movement into closely spaced joints that can be identified. It should represent the minimum noticeable movement achievable. The controller can generate pulses of very small duration, and the positioning device should be able to respond and change its positioning accordingly very quickly. Spatial resolution. Control resolution concerns the resolution for one link and one motion, whereas spatial resolution combine control the solution of all motions. Also consider the mechanical errors in the points and associated links. Mechanical errors arise from a backlash in gears available in the robot, deflection of links available in the robot, hysteresis in mechanical parts, hydraulic leaks if robot uses hydraulic power. Then accuracy, it is a measure of ability of the robot to position the end effector at a design, open the envelope. Stability, it relates to amount of oscillations in robot motion as it is about the reach certain location or desired location. The system is stable, has very less oscillations, whereas unstable system has more oscillations.